OBS 31.0 with desktop 1 Windows Python test dash bit.
Hi, this is Code Beyond Site YouTube channel. Today I will teach about variables and data structure in Python programming. First of all, you know need to how to create a Python file in VS Code. The VS Code has many sections like main landmark, uh, terminal view, switcher, time sidebar, like this many in your you know about this like you can already navigate website. The website have the many section: navigation bar, name, landmark, footer, header, like this same almost like this in VS Code. Many VS Code has many sections like so. First of all, you can create the Python file or any files. Click the F6 button in your keyboard.
F6 Stay Windows F6 Active View Switcher tab
Active
Control
switcher,
Explorer
like
left
this is
pane.
not
Control plus F6 Files Explorer tree
Files
view.
Explorer. This is
Hello.py not selected 1 of 2 level 1.
we want to this section. So after reach this, you click the
Shift plus tab
Shift
Explorer section
plus
colon
tab.
Python test button expanded Python test actions toolbar New file
New file. Okay,
button
enter that
Enter Files Explorer tree view Type file name dot
file
Press
name.
enter to
You
confirm
enter
or
the file name.
escape to can D backspace D T T Y P E data type P Y.
I create the data type file, Python file. You must
N
set
blank.
extension .py extension. Then we will run the Python. Run as a Python file. Okay.
Enter main landmark data type .py editor
The cursor is
autocomplete multi-line blank.
cursor is come the main landmark. So now we will learn about variables and data structure. First of all,
E suggest backspace number
what
T is space V E variable.
what is
Question.
variable? The variables is a variable. A variable is a container like this because if you are home, you have the many containers in your kitchen at your home. There are 3 containers.
Enter number enter number up arrow
Like
C
container 1
C1 down at C
Container 2.
up arrow end.
in your home. The container 1 only can store the sugar.
Equals
Sugar.
S U G R control plus left down arrow up arrow number C1 equals sugar
Okay. The
backspace equals Windows plus equals up arrow down arrow number C down
the
arrow
container 1 only store the sugar. Say the
equals
container 2 only store the salt.
S L T
So the container purpose or variable purpose is store the things. Store the things. Same like this in the Python programming, many data types available. Like many data types datas available. Like the data
enter so
might
number
the data might have string like
S
name,
backspace G
again,
again
or
space
numbers
445
values
4 dot 5
floating. This is float value or
5
float or true or false values or 0
0
or
0 or
1.
1 space control right parent left F L F E false space N control R or T R
true
U
or
E
false values.
end black home control plus right arrow 400 control
So
plus
many
end. Number
many data types available. You can
control
see
plus
this.
backspace.
I
With
laser.
number
I
selected.
detailedly explain that.
Control plus backspace.
First of all, uh, we will store the data in containers. So we can create. We need to create the variables.
Enter.
There are
T.
four type of.
Suggest backspace. Number.
There,
H-E-R-E here. R-E-R.
there are
Space.
four type of
T. Back 4 T-Y-P-E type. Space.
data
D.
types.
T. P.
Data types.
Enter. Quote. Backspace. Enter. Up arrow. End. Enter.
First one string.
Space. T-R-I-N-G. String.
String.
Space.
The string
Equal
is
space.
character, combination of character like
World.
world.
World. Comma.
A name is here. It might as a name.
Backspace. E. Control plus backs R. N. Ram.
Or John.
J-S-O.
Like this. The
Space.
combination of characters. That's all.
Enter.
The
2 space.
the integer
I-N-T-G-R. Integer. Equal
is
space. Quote. Backspace.
numbers
Quote.
like 1,
2,
2,
24. Backspace.
1, 2,
Space. Backspace.
1, 2, 0.
0.
Like combination of
0.
numbers might
Space.
has like
Comma. Back 4. 6. 5.
this is. So many combination of number is here as here integer.
Enter. 46,005. Back 4. Back 3.
Three
3
is
space.
float.
L-O. Back T. Back T.
Float.
At.
Float
Space.
is here decimal values like
4.
4.44.
44. 3. 3.
This is here decimal
Space.
value.
Enter.
Boolean
L. Backs O. L. E. N. Boolean. Equals.
Boolean is true or false value.
T. U. Back R. U. Ru. O. F. L. Backspace. L. E. Ols. Space.
Or
O.
1
1. Space.
or
O.
0.
0.
True or false means 1 or 0. This is basically now
Windows plus dash.
you
Windows plus
basically
Windows
know
plus.
this and write the code after you definitely understand this. Okay,
Windows plus Windows plus
we
dash.
will learn this four type of data types: integer, string, float, and finally boolean. So in Python programming,
Windows
I'm
plus
already told that
Windows.
Python programming is dynamic programming language. So you don't mention data types. For example, C programming,
Windows-
you
Windows-
consider C programming.
Enter.
We
0.
will mention the data type like
Backspace.
yeah,
I.
if
Control plus
integer data,
I. N. I. T.
we mention the
Warning.
integer.
Backspace. Control plus back I. N.
T,
T
int.
space.
Age
G.
equal to 2.
6.
So we will mention the int, but in Python programming language, don't need
Control plus
mention the integer data types like data types. So we directly assign the values, the variable automatically assign the data types. For example, we assign the 6. So this variable
Control plus left arrow. NVDA plus 3. Speed typed words always. NVDA plus 3.
1 minute.
Speed typed words off. NVDA plus 3. Speed typed words only in edit controls. NVDA plus 3. Speed typed words always. NVDA plus 4. Speed command keys off.
Okay, I'm now turn off the speed command keys off. Now continue that.
Equals.
For example, age
equals.
the age equal to 6. I assign this. The 6 is integer. The variables automatically assign the declare the integer type. So we will see
age.
about live demonstration for write the code. You assign website. like you already many website to go to visit. That website commonly has a name field, age field, and weight field, or married, unmarried, these fields. So write about that fields, store the variables. We create the
en
name,
equals data type dot py editor has all equal name
name equal to
equals
the
data
the variable name is name. Okay,
blank error
I am
quote
store
s
my name
g
Agatya.
t a I y n
Agatya.
blank
Next I create
data type
another
dot
one variable age,
g e equal quote error
23.
3
One important information, you when is declare the integer, float, and boolean, you don't give the double
name
quotes
equals
and single
name
quotes.
equals
For
quote a gap
example, this is only when is using string, then you use the double quotes or single quotes. In as
n
you consider name
equals quote n 8 name equals quote a Gathian quote
you hear a name equaled quotes, double quotes, the between give the Agathian name. For example, a g
e equals
name equals quote, double quotes, I
g quote a Gathian
Agathian.
line feed
The I mention double quotes between the I said my name. When is using string, then only use the double quotes. You use the integer, float, and boolean. You don't use string like double quotes. I'm so
age equals
you memorize that. Next, I create the weight.
W
Well, another
data type
variable,
W
that name is
such
weight. Weight.
GHT
Weight.
equals
So
error
weight is 4.
4
My weight is
7
0,
0 75
75.
5 H
Next,
data
I
type
create
dot
the
py
is
s
marry.
n
Marry.
r equals error f
No.
suggest
False.
l s e
False means no.
warning data f false comma l s e
Information important notes like in Python programming, the Python programming is a case sensitive, so you carefully write the code. You don't correctly you don't mismatch characters, like mismatch words, like in Python programming language, the true or false, the first character is uppercase. For example,
e s l f
f is uppercase, and the another characters is
L
small.
s e blank e s l
So
blank
you do not write the you like you do not write you carefully write the Python code. Okay, after write the
P
print
data
the
type dot
examine print the variables.
p r I n t data p p r I n t
Print of
left parent n suggest list data type n e name comma variable
name
data type dot p blank p I print comma data type left parent g e
age
data type p r I t left
print
parent f suggest list data type dot pw suggest list e weight comma data
Weight.
type blank p r I t
Print.
left parent star values colon
Is.
I s is n is data type dot
N.
blank P. Data type.
Now print the variables. After run this program,
Terminals are clear. Use the access Python Python space D that Python dot back a gap
the output is printed. You click the accessible view.
accessible view, explore
Alt-
file submenu
F2,
Alt plus F1
click
of
button.
7. Accessible view, terminal. Accessible view, Agathian
Agathian is printed.
23
23 is printed.
70.5
70.5 is printed.
false.
False is printed. The programming is running. After
Main
confirm,
landmark.
this variable is what has data type set declare. Okay.
PRINT data type PRINT left parent TYPE
This type
O
is
colon
find the what data type is set variable. For example, the name
E
is string.
E
So
date
we declare we determine the name is string. The name is string.
terminals are clear.
Run again
PSC
the
colon
Python code.
backslash a gap
You see the name is string. Again click the Alt F2.
PSC less class tick str tick greater.
You can hear
PSC less class tick str tick greater. Line fee greater. Tick R T S.
str. str means string.
Terminal 1
So write the
main
same
landmark
like
line
this another variables.
PRINT left pair TYPE
Type of
E open G
age.
data print left parent blank PRINT left parent star values colon object TYPE
Type of
O colon object W C I data
Wait.
type dot line PRINT
Print of
left parent star values colon object
print
prints
of
the values to a stream
is
is if keyword level 1 date T Y P E
type
E O colon
Is
is N is
mad.
data type dot line feed
So I write 4 lines of code. This is mentioned the variables what kind of data type have. Okay. Again run. Click Control plus
terminal 1 PowerShell use
plus
Alt
J.
plus F1 for terminal accessible
the cursor to directly navigate the terminal. So
clear
run the
use the accessible
clear the terminal. Again run the Python
blank Python dot backslash data type dot py
code. Okay, run.
Agathian 2370.5 accessible
Again
view
click the accessible view.
file submenu or term accessible view PSC colon back less class tick bool tick greater symbol level none class float class int class str
You can hear the name is set name string
class int
class int. The age set integer.
class float
The weight variable has float data type.
class bool
Class bool. The variable is married is boolean data type. So we will know about how to write the how to declare data types, and you definitely I'm sure about you I think you definitely know about variables and data structure. After we next video is we will meet. Thank you.
magnifier